Welcome to JH. Today we're taking a look at Veracarel.com, an online shopping destination that claims to be the ultimate hub for trendy women's fashion. From chic jackets and cozy sweaters to dresses and shoes, the site looks modern and well-designed at first glance. It has that clean, seasonal aesthetic specifically engineered to make online shoppers reach for their wallets. But the million-dollar question remains, is this website actually legitimate? Or is it just a very stylish digital trap? Let's dig into the details. Our first red flag is a classic math isn't mathing moment. On their About Us page, Vera California proudly claims they've been a staple in the fashion industry since 1999. That sounds impressive until you check the domain registration, which shows the site was only created recently. I suppose they spent the last 25 years selling clothes out of a psychic's basement before finally deciding to join the internet. When a brand claims decades of experience, but their website is still in diapers, it's usually a sign that something is fishy. Next, let's talk about those attractive product images. While the clothes look great on screen, a quick reverse image search reveals that many of these photos were actually stolen from other websites. It's a bold strategy to run a fashion brand when you can't even be bothered to take a picture of your own inventory. If they're using borrowed glamour shots to sell you a product, there's a high chance that what arrives in the mail, if anything arrives at all, won't look anything like the picture. The red flags keep waving when we look at their customer support. They provide an email and a physical address to make themselves look professional, but upon closer inspection, that address has been copied and pasted from an entirely different company. It's always a comforting feeling to know that if your order goes missing, your only point of contact is a fake office in a different time zone. This kind of copy-paste identity is a major trust breaker for anyone who values their hard-earned money. Then there's the aggressive marketing style. The website is constantly screaming about massive discounts of 70 or 80% off, with limited-time offers that never actually seem to end. Every single item is permanently on sale, creating a false sense of urgency designed to make you stop thinking and start clicking. It's the digital equivalent of a going out of business sign that's been hanging in a shop window for 10 years. When everything is a once-in-a-lifetime bargain, nothing actually is. Finally, let's look at the reviews. Their own website is a utopia of 5-star feedback and glowing testimonials from supposedly ecstatic customers. However, when you check independent platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, the silence is deafening. There are no real discussions and no third-party reviews to be found anywhere. It seems their thousands of happy customers are all conveniently invisible to the rest of the internet. So, what's the final verdict? Based on the mismatch between their claimed history and their actual domain age, the stolen images, the fake address, and the suspicious lack of real reviews, Veracarel.com is waving more red flags than a finish line. We strongly recommend shopping with caution and sticking to established, trusted brands instead. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and shop smart.